Hi, very quiet.
Hello, very quiet,
I'm
yeah?
Wayan from Bali.
Wayan from Bali. Nice to meet you, Wayan.
Bad economy now.
Very bad. You selling something like a trips or...
Just looking for flower, food to fry.
Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you, Wayan.
Thank
See
you
ya.
too.
Good morning, Bali. How you doing, guys? Today I'm in the Sanur Harbour. As you can see around, it's super quiet. It's actually open and closed. They let me in, but it's any boats to Nusa Penida and everything, like stalls over here, and everything is closed. I wanna go to the office where normally is millions of people over here, by the way, but I wanna go to the office where you can buy the tickets to Nusa Penida and ask when everything will be possibly open, and I will show you guys around how it looks like. By the way, like I said before, this place normally at 8 o'clock, like it's now it's 8 o'clock, is a lot of people. I will show you guys around, and I have also material like half year ago from the harbor was so many people. Alright, so I'm here. Here's some people. They're gonna tell me when potentially Nusa Penida will be open. So, what do you think, when Nusa Penida will be open?
Oh, not open yet.
Not open
Don't
yet.
know exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah. Wait for information from the government.
It's still no information, right?
Still lockdown. No, but not lockdown. With
But
limited of
and it's no boats to Nusa
activities.
Penida, yeah?
Right?
No boats to Nusa Penida.
We have two boats. Two boats they leave, but that is for logistic.
Logistic only.
Logistic
like,
and
food, drinks.
medical.
Okay. But no people.
No people.
How about local people?
Or
Like
they
the
must
Nusa Penida people, I mean,
not yet,
they not travel to Bali anyway.
except for emergency.
Hospital or something. Alright. Thank you. So, as you see, as I talk to some people, the open boats are only logistic ones, like over here. Coming like a food, medical equipment, offerings, stuff like that, but no passengers. Still no information, and we just have to wait for the official government statement about that, but it's no official any statements yet. So yeah, that's what I can say for that, about that now. This is the famous coffee shop in the harbor going to Nusa Penida and Lembongan. Everything is closed. a lots of army also. I didn't make the shots with them, but they are. We will see. Alright, over here where I'm working is also the harbor to Nusa Lembongan island, and it's so quiet, everything is closed as you can see. It's quite a sad view. I hope so everything will be open as soon as possible. Anyway, I wanna go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan maybe. Oh my god, my favorite coffee kiosk is open.
Yeah.
Jesus, can I have a hot cappuccino, please?
Hot cappuccino.
Yes, please.
Have a sip.
Yes, thank you.
Kind of is that reaction, isn't it?
How you doing? You know, I'm talking about Nusa Penida and stuff, and everything is closed here. Yeah, I just said everything is closed, and my favorite coffee kiosk is open. Yeah, you see this funny, happy guys, and
See you.
coffee kiosk, the best coffee in Sanur Harbour. Okay, bye guys.
Thank you for coming.
Alright, I'm after morning coffee. I didn't actually know as this coffee is open in this in this place. So happy guys, by the way. So I wanna try to see how it looks around. This is the place where I always with Winnie going to Nusa Lembongan, and it's so many people always, but now it's just quiet, nobody here. Some people over there enjoying the morning bath in the ocean. So happy. Okay, so in the short term everything is closed. If you wanna go to Nusa Lembongan or Nusa Penida, the only two boats are going, and this is only suppliers. like a cargo, you know, like food, equipment, medical stuff and something like that. And also emergency, you know, if something happened in Lembongan, you can come to Bali. And some Lembongan people can travel to Bali and from Bali to Lembongan. The guy who talked a few minutes ago, he said this is just the thinking and you have to wait for the official statement from government, and we don't know yet when that's gonna happen, so stay updated.